Hello everyone. Welcome to Mama Africa's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make delicious tilapia in air fryer. Let's go, guys. Here they are. So here are the spices I'm going to use, guys. I'm going to use the rosemary, dry rosemary, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic, olive oil, and a little bit of turmeric. That's it. So let's get ready. First, I'm going to clean I already washed them, so I'm just going to get rid of this stuff here. Because this is gonna burn too quickly. Going to be delicious. Told you guys, air fryer work like a charm. You can cook anything in it. So these days there's no excuse of not knowing how to cook. Just throw them on air fryer and you are done. Save your oil, save the energy. You don't have to heat the whole oven. Just clean these things out first. Everything's clean. Nice. So what we are going to do now is slice them. I forgot my knife. So this is what we are going to do. Because we want our spices to go in. So you have to do this. Make sure you do this. All our spices to go inside. It's gonna be 1 teaspoon rosemary, maybe 1.5 rosemary, then 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is good for you guys. That's why I like to use it in everything I'm cooking. It's good for your health. Then I'm going to use a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper, maybe half a teaspoon of black pepper. Then I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of paprika, a little bit more. That's it. And I'm going to use the garlic. like garlic. I like garlic. The smell is good. One more. One more. So that's it. Now we are going to mix it with olive oil. We are going to mix our spices with olive oil. So that's it. This. Now time to put them in the oven. 390. We're gonna do 20 minutes, but we'll keep an eye on it. Start with 20 minutes. I want my fish to stuck. Don't want them to stick. Welcome back. Our first batch is done. So we are going to do our second batch. So it takes only 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Ooh. Look how delicious, guys. 20 minutes to cook. We're going to put the second batch. Another 20 minutes at 390. Look how beautiful. it. Wait again. Another 20 minutes. So our cooking is done. Our cooking is done. Look how beautiful, guys. So beautiful. Air fryer can cook anything. Wow, 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 wow. Look how beautiful. So delicious. Look at it, guys. Just look at it. I'm impressed. So now, we are going to put our soup. I just made a beautiful soup. Very, very delicious. This is what we are going to do. Look at my soup, guys. Tomatoes, onion, and my spices, and coriander. So this is how you do it. Surprise your guest. Show them you are a chef. Surprise the guest. How delicious. So delicious. I want to eat this with ugali so badly. I'm ready. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and